Alrighty. I have a nice box here. This is from Cindy. Well, I'm not going to give her last name. She's one of my viewers, and some time ago she asked if she can do something for me. And I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? She says, send me a picture of Zeus. You know, Zeus, my dog, my German Shepherd. I'm like, really? She goes, yeah, I'd like to paint a portrait of Zeus. I'm like, okay, why not? So guess what came today? A box I haven't opened up yet. I'm so excited. I think I'm more excited than she is. Okay, it's to Steve and Zeus Dudaklian, CEO Beaute's Leatherworks. Oh my God. All right, let's take a look, see what we got. This is very exciting. It's a big box. What the heck? What? You guys gotta see this wrapper. What the? Oh my God, this is so cool. Look at this. Oh my God, look, this is just a wrapper. Can you guys see that? Look at this. That's me. That's me holding the shoe. Where'd you get that picture from? Is that me? Man, I'm pretty handsome there. Oh my God. Look, hammer time. Oh my God. Wow. This is crazy. I don't want to open this up. I want to save this wrapper. Oh, look, it says Beaute's here. Where'd it go? Right there. Oh my God. This is wow. This is like beyond. I want to save this wrapper, man. This is so cool. How in the world did she do that? Cindy, you're crazy. Crazy good, that is. Hold on, I gotta be careful with this. Oh my God. Christmas came early for me. Wow, this is like so, you know, you can make a poster out of this wrapper. This is so cool. You're crazy, Cindy. Wow. Come on, man. I don't want to mess this up. I can't believe this is, I mean, just that alone would have been cool. I wouldn't need anything else. Oh my God. Okay. This is getting... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, she's got a shirt in there too. Oh, look at this thing. This is a painting. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's Zeus. Oh my God. He's eating my shoes. Well, they're not my shoes, but oh my God. Look at this. Is this the coolest thing that anybody, I mean, oh my God. I can't, this is just, wow. Wow. I mean, this is incredible. And there's a shirt back here. What is that shirt? Let's see. This is incredible, man. Wow. Cindy, you are awesome. Awesome. Look at this, man. Oh, this is so cool. I mean, wow. Merry Christmas, Steve. Just one of your faithful viewers out here in YouTube land, sending you some Christmas cheer and many wishes for you in the coming new year. Good evening, Beaute's Leatherworks. Could you hold, please? Thank you. Let him wait. Sending you some Christmas cheer and many wishes for you in the coming new year. I already read that. As you share your talents with us, with all of us, I wanted to share some of mine with you. I hope you enjoy it. Your Minnesota friend, Cindy Harmer, Harmer. So I'm going to say her name because it looks like this is her business. Wow. I mean, look at this, man. Look at this. Is this incredible or what? I mean, wow. I'm just beside myself. I'm gonna be like giddy when I get home tonight. I can't wait to show the wife. Wow. Cindy, thank you. I mean, I can't say enough thank you. I was just expecting maybe a little portrait of Zeus or something, you know? This is beyond words. Wow. Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right. Thank you. Take care.